So I built this with Vanilla JavaScript, HTML, and that of the CSS. You see, we do have a menu bar at the top right here, where we'll just kind of have the position for our logo, and these are the menu items, and then this is just the phone number right here, and then we do have this icon right here. So after that, we have this slideshow right here that you can just basically scroll through, right, to see some product images, and then we'll have some text on them right here. This is the price and this is on sale, and we can just also use this button right down here to like scroll through the images that we got right here. All right, now what I want you to do is, like, from time to time you need to take the time to like properly build some products, maybe from scratch, before you jump into any library or any frameworks at all. Alright, so we have this section right here where I'll just say in the flash sale, and then we'll have this button down here to go to the shop now page and then be able to shop through. Alright, and then we'll have featured the products that we have in here. If you take a look at that, you're going to see them. And if you scroll down, I think we just have only 2 lines, just 8 products on this page, but there is a link where you can go to all of the products and then see the products maybe categorized. This is the sponsors section of the web page right here. See this scrolling through. So you need to carve out some time to like sit down. If you notice, recently I've not been like posting heavily on my page, and I was just taking the time out to build these things that we have right here, because I'm going to use it in a class to teach people how to build such a UI. Alright, so these are just basically the links that we have here, and this is just like a fictional e-commerce website. Alright, so this does not kind of exist anywhere. If you take a look at that, you see that I got this from Code Kinder. This is Kinder Mart right here. So that's just the stuff in there. We can even add these products to the cart. So if you hit on cart right here, you see this little stuff that just showed up right here, and if you take a look here, see that that increased. Let's say we want to add this keyboard right here, mechanical keyboard. I'm going to hit on this, and you see that it's a kind of a goes right there. And so those are just, if you want to see the details of the product, you can also see that maybe by clicking on just the product right here, and then this is going to pop up right here, and you can scroll through the different images they have for that particular product. You see what is happening right here. So that's the stuff. You can also add a product to the cart. If you hit on here, you see that it gets added to the cart, and you can click outside to dismiss that particular overlay right there. So those are the stuff that I'm just like talking about. If you want to get these products, you can actually get that maybe within a couple bucks. You can get this, and if you want to use that or use it to practice, that's fine. So that's just what is there. So this is my phone number right here. You can maybe chat me up if you're interested in getting this, or you can just put your request in the comment, maybe in my inbox anyway. I may not be able to respond to all the comments. Alright, if you need it, I can maybe package it and then send it to you, so you can maybe rebuild this on your own, just to take a look at the sample code and then see how you can basically build it yourself. And I feel like this is really cool, guys. So this was built with Vanilla JS. We use the CSS for the styling and HTML to just lay out the markup. So there's no libraries or any framework in this particular product I just basically seeing right here. Alright, so that's just a kind of a challenge. I just basically want to motivate you so you can sit up and then build something really tangible. So thank you. I think I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.